Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman and a doctor at a GP clinic. The dialogue begins now.
Good morning. I can see from your file that you've been experiencing headaches for the past 2 weeks. Can you describe the pain for me?
जी डाक्टर, दुखाइ मुख्यतया मेरो टाउकोको दाहिने भागमा हुन्छ।
I see. Have you noticed any changes in your vision, or do you feel nauseous when the
मेरो दृष्टि कहिलेकाहीँ अलिक धमिलो हुन्छ तर वाकवाकी हुँदैन। म पारासिटामोल खाइरहेको छु तर केही घण्टा मात्र काम गर्छ।
I'd like to run some tests, including a blood test and possibly a CT scan, just to rule out anything serious. I'll also refer you to a specialist if needed.
यो सुन्दा अलिक चिन्ता लागेको छ। परीक्षणको नतिजा आउन कति समय लाग्छ? मलाई चिन्ता छ कि यो कुनै गम्भीर कुरा त होइन।
The blood test results should be available within 3 days. The CT scan might take about a week. Please try not to worry. Most headaches have simple causes like stress or tension.
धन्यवाद डाक्टर। यस बीचमा म पारासिटामोल खाइरहनुपर्छ कि तपाईँ अरू बलियो औषधि सिफारिस गर्नुहुन्छ?
You can continue with paracetamol for now, but don't exceed 4 grams per day. I'll also prescribe a mild anti-inflammatory that may help with the pain. Make sure you stay hydrated and get enough rest.
बुझे। म बाहिर जाँदा रिसेप्सनमा परीक्षणको बुकिङ गर्छु। डाक्टर, तपाईको समयको लागि धन्यवाद।
One more thing, if your headaches suddenly become much worse, or you experience sudden vision loss or difficulty speaking, please go to the emergency department immediately.
म त्यसो गर्छु। सल्लाहको लागि धन्यवाद डाक्टर। नतिजा आएपछि फलो अप भेटको लागि अवश्य आउँछु।